Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have full admin rights and the student's unique ID. Without proper permissions, the system will block removal. Once authenticated, immediately export the student's academic, attendance, and fee records to a secure file so nothing is lost. Make sure to note the reason and timestamp for audit purposes and inform the school registrar or principal before proceeding. This prevents disputes and preserves data continuity. Then proceed to the student management area to locate the profile. You now navigate to student management and search using the unique ID to pull the exact profile. This avoids removing the wrong student. Once the profile is open, review linked records, classes, fee payments, library loans, and disciplinary notes to identify dependencies that must be cleared or transferred. If the platform offers a deactivate step, use it first to suspend access while you resolve linked accounts. Only choose permanent removal after confirming all dependent records are handled and stakeholders have approved. You finish by following the system prompts to remove or delete the student, providing the required reason and saving an audit note so the action is traceable. Once completed, verify success by checking the audit logs and ensuring the student no longer appears in active lists. Also confirm backups exist. If the system blocks removal, make sure you have the correct permissions, clear remaining dependencies like unpaid fees or linked siblings, and review server or application logs. Escalate to IT if persistent errors occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.